I just sold a house. We were actually getting ready for the closing, so I had to take a final walkthrough. This is downtown Cincinnati, a high-end home. I put the front door key in the lock, walked through the house, made sure everything was set for the closing, came back out, and the key would not come out of the lock.
When something like that happens, what happens is the tailpiece comes loose. And basically, here's what it looks like.
What happens is this is the tailpiece, this is what holds the tailpiece on. When you put the key in, and you pull out on the key, you can see that movement. You want to allow the key to be pulled out.
I spent an hour and 45 minutes, 2 hours working on this lock.
Yeah, it's very frustrating for people when they can't get the key out of their lock. Very frustrating, and the fix is so simple.
So I contacted Jim. Jim said, I'm about a half hour away, let me just come on out there. And he did, and when he got here, it took him 30 seconds to fix it.
All you have to do is hold the core in as you're pulling the key out.
I am so glad that I have Lang's Locks number in my phone. It's good to know a locksmith before you need a locksmith.
And we're on call 24/7.